Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the OnePlus Nord CE 5G. On the front, you can see the phone's name. Like this, you can open the box. First, you will get the OnePlus Nord CE 5G, which comes with punch hole display. At the back, the smartphone is packed with a triple camera setup. Also here you can see OnePlus logo. The phone comes in blue-white color. Next, we have the slit. Inside, you will find a SIM ejector tool and documentation like Quick Start Guide, Safety Information Guide, SAR Value Guide, OnePlus stickers, red cable club card from OnePlus. Here is the transparent back cover. Next is a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. And here is 2-pin wall charger with supports 30 watts of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the OnePlus Nord CE 5G box. Thank you so much for watching.